One of the clearest signs of aging is the slow decline in muscle mass, particularly in the legs. This weakening can affect balance, mobility, and overall independence in older adults. Keeping leg muscles strong is key to staying active and, more importantly, avoiding falls, which are a major cause of injury in seniors. Stronger muscles improve coordination, walking stability, and make everyday movements like standing up or climbing stairs easier. Nutrition plays a fundamental role in maintaining and restoring muscle mass. While exercise is crucial for leg health, a proper diet supplies the essential nutrients needed for muscle growth, recovery, and performance. Eating foods high in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats can support muscle strength, boost energy levels, and enhance mobility. In this video, we will cover 6 key foods that can help strengthen leg muscles in older adults. These nutrient-rich foods help preserve muscle mass, fortify bones, and support joint health. Before we start, we ask you to like the video and leave a comment to help the channel grow. Subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our content. Now let's begin. First, sweet potatoes, long-lasting energy for muscles. One of the most nutrient-dense foods, sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates that provide a steady energy release, preventing sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar. This ensures continuous energy for movement-based activities like walking and stair climbing. Additionally, their high fiber content aids digestion and nutrient absorption, essential for muscle health. Another significant benefit is their high vitamin A content, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscles from oxidative stress, slowing age-related muscle decline. Vitamin A also helps muscles recover after physical exertion. Second, oats, a great source of protein and sustained energy. Oats are highly beneficial for muscle maintenance in older adults. Their low glycemic index carbohydrates deliver a stable energy supply without sharp blood sugar fluctuations, which is vital for sustaining endurance throughout daily routines. Additionally, oats provide high-quality plant protein, crucial for muscle repair and upkeep. They are also rich in iron, which aids oxygen transport in the blood, and magnesium, an essential mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing the risk of cramps. Third, avocados, healthy fats for muscle function. Avocados are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats that help lower inflammation and protect joints from deterioration. They also contain high levels of potassium, a key mineral for muscle contractions and cramp prevention, a common issue in older adults. Another important component is vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields muscle cells from oxidative stress, slowing down muscle deterioration associated with aging. Fourth, berries, muscle protection through antioxidants. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among the richest antioxidant sources. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to muscle weakening over time. Berries also possess anti-inflammatory properties that help alleviate joint and muscle discomfort. Their high vitamin C content is crucial for collagen production, which supports the strength and flexibility of tendons, ligaments, and muscles. Fifth, salmon, a top-quality protein with omega-3s. Salmon is one of the best sources of protein for seniors, as it contains all the essential amino acids required for muscle maintenance. Moreover, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory benefits, which help alleviate muscle and joint pain. Omega-3s are also vital for cardiovascular health, ensuring proper blood circulation to the muscles. This enhances oxygen and nutrient supply, optimizing muscle function and reducing fatigue. Sixth, eggs, a powerhouse of muscle-boosting nutrients. Eggs provide complete high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and recovery. They are also an excellent source of vitamin D, a key nutrient for bone strength and muscle function. Choline, found in eggs, is essential for nerve-muscle communication, ensuring proper signal transmission for good motor coordination. This is critical in preventing falls and maintaining mobility. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can significantly improve leg strength and mobility, helping older adults retain their independence and overall quality of life. If you've watched this far, we'd love to hear your feedback. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and share your thoughts on the content. Your input is invaluable in helping us continue to provide useful and relevant information. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to inform and inspire. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to leave a like to support the channel's growth and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest from Elders Health.